Hey y'all. As you can see, I have my hair all curly and it's really time for me to wash it, so that's what I'm about to do. First, I don't have any deep conditioner, so I just bought this mane and tail conditioner. My cousin really put me on to this like some years ago. I haven't bought it in years, but yeah, I'm gonna actually just put some of this. It says it can be used as a leave-in or rinse out. I'm just gonna tell myself that it can also be used as a deep conditioner. And I'm gonna put this on my hair and just let it sit for a while. So that's what I'm gonna do. Cause I really need to wash my hair. So I'm just gonna section it off. I'm gonna put one side up here. I'm gonna put the other side up here. Excuse my singing. I know I can't sing, but my soul says otherwise, so it smells good, y'all. I know y'all can't smell it, but just imagine that it smells good. And usually what I do is wet my hair, or I usually have my hair wet already, or like spray it. But I'm just gonna put it on here dry, and we're just gonna see what happens. This is fast. And I was gonna get my hair done this week. Try to get my hair done this week because I have an event to go to this weekend, and I'm actually gonna be in a movie short. So the premiere is gonna be Friday, and so I was gonna get my hair done, but I'm actually just gonna do my own hair because my hair lady doesn't have any appointments available for times that I'm available, and I really don't want to go to somebody else. Plus, I kind of want to just get my hair done and possibly get a Brazilian blowout next week, possibly. I'm still undecided. I don't know if I want to get that or not. And as you can see, excuse me, making sure that I put it on my edge is good. Make sure I get my nape area in the back. That's my mama texting me late. How she know I went dead calling her? She just not texting me and calling me back. I could have been moved into my mansion and everything by now. I remember I used to use this as a leave-in for my twist ups, and they were so plump and cute and healthy looking. Alrighty then. This is what my hair looks like. Let me see if I can find the piece. And isolate it. Right here. See how this is thick and this is stringy. That's when the natural hair and the processed hair meet. So about this much of my hair is natural and the rest of the other half is processed. So yeah. Alright, so I'm just gonna let this sit on my head for a little bit. And then I'm going to wash it and I suppose I'll blow dry it too. We'll see. But yeah. So that's all right now. Thanks for watching.